What's up guys, you're watching the Seed Show, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-106487-6. There was an issue when downloading and installing the content. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen, and go to the, look at that. Here you simply just check your content in the download section, and here is, if you're getting the error, you just check this and then you just go check your application is up to date or not, and then you just go to the settings. Here is the check the updates. If the update is available and you just try to do it and it's not going to update or downloading the content, you just go to settings here and go to storage. You must check the storage. Sometimes you're having a storage problem, you don't have enough space to download a content or upload a content, that's why you're getting the error. And you check the system software update also. Sometimes you're having an older version of the system software, you must update a new one. And then what to do, you just check the internet connection. Sometimes your internet connection is not working or the server is down, so you must go to the servers and check the servers, PlayStation server. In the network options, you go view PlayStation network services. If the server is working up and good, you check your own internet connection, and maybe you're having a problem with the connection. So you must check the connections also and set up a new connection with the wired LAN, and you will get the internet speed, a better internet speed than the Wi-Fi. So simply that's how you can fix this. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.